Alrighty guys, back with another analysis and feedback of my sketches. So, utilise the observational method along with my learning methods, which is good speed, and basically trying to effectively and efficiently create better sketches and foundations for the fundamentals of my sketching, which is the proportions and structure, and basically setting out a good foundation. So, sorry for the lighting and the noise. It's getting that time of day. So, for first one, it was 3 minutes and about 20 seconds. I wanted to get it down to 3 minutes, but that never happened. Second sketch was 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And the third one I actually stopped because, as you can see, it just wasn't working. Eyes are far too narrow, nose is far too long, and the face shape just was wrong as well. So I decided to stop it before it really didn't work, and then I'd become quite demotivational. No, that's not a word. Demotivated. Good lord. So yeah, so good observational methods. All eyes were far too big, then the faces were far too long, or it was too angular. However, the second sketch is the closest to the reference, and I just found it quite a difficult position to actually capture. I will go back to it in the future, but right now I'm just not quite there. Let me know what you think and what method you would use or would have tried at least. Yeah, thanks guys.